Hello guys, welcome to another Honda Element video. Today we are having a small meetup. We are 4 elements and here is Eric with the blue sky. This element was in one of the first episode of the Element Hunter. I'm going to leave the link guys if you want to watch it. And this is the new super rare unicorn 2005 Honda Element, and this one is from Aldaco. It is tomato in a very colorful tomato today. Super colorful tomato. And this is the newest Aldaco element.
The unicorn, baby.
The unicorn. Hard to find.
Drive, 5-speed, khaki.
It's a collectible item more than a Honda element.
Right? Not the way I'm going to use it. I'm going to abuse it for sure.
Congratulations.
Sir,
This is Haobu element. Hello.
What's up, dude?
Nice to see you again. There you go, looking nice. Super bright.
Yeah.
Beautiful sunset. Honda Element owners knows how to hang out. We are doing some chorizo tacos. Some of these cactus, real cactus. It's 4:30 a.m. and we just woke up because there is a big fire right in front of our campground. And it looks like it's getting worse.
That's crazy, dude. How could it be less concerned?
Don't give a fuck.
He's like, let me go back to bed. That's true. Everyone is taking off right now. That's crazy, dude. It's 4:30 in the morning.
Now we are just looking for a parking lot around guys, so we can at least have a few more hours of sleep. It's still too early, so we're just parking close by. Good morning guys. So after the fire, seems like few people moved to this side of the beach just because of the fires. Morning Aldaco, how do you sleep?
Terrible.
Yeah, right. What a night yesterday.
Dude, yeah, it was so windy. Like, it was so windy, and then, yeah, I heard people starting to, like, yell, and, like, fire, fire. So, yeah, we got up and left, because
Yeah,
the fire was too close, man. It was intense.
I know, it was so close, and right now looks like a lot of people kind of follow us, right? All the
All the smart ones.
Yes, exactly. How still that's sleeping.